Hi, Joe Glavin with City Floor Supply. Today we're going to discuss Norton's Clipper Jigsaw blades. So as with all Norton products, the Clipper series in the wood cutting blades are new for Norton. Right now we're going to be discussing the 4-inch Jigsaw blade. Again, if you want something that's reliable, clean cutting, chip free, this blade will do that for you. This particular blade has the bayonet style that will fit just about universally every jigsaw. You're looking at 10 teeth per inch in this series, but for whatever you're cutting, whether it's wood or composite, the Norton Jigsaw blade in the 4-inch, 10 teeth per inch will do it for you. You get a clean cut and a reliable cut. If you have any questions with regard to the Jigsaw blades, you can give us a call at 800-737-1786 or go to cityfloorsupply.com.